Let's have a closer look at this product in closer detail.
Here's Koolatron's Coors Banquet Retro Ice Chest Cooler with built-in bottle opener. We're going to be looking at the features on the outside and the inside. This cooler states that it can hold 18 12-ounce standard cans and 12 12-ounce bottles. Later in this video, we're going to see how many Coors Light slim cans we can fit in this cooler. But first, we'll be showing off some features. Here's a closer view of the built-in bottle opener. The outer retrofit design parts are constructed of stainless steel, as well as the lid, the handles, and also the bottom. The self-locking handle has a rubber grip that helps assist the lock feature. The stainless steel handle, which is bolted onto the lid and feels pretty sturdy. The insulated plastic liner is built into the lid, and the lid fits pretty snug to keep your snacks and your drinks cool. This 14-quart, 13-liter ice chest plastic liner resists stains and odors and easily wipes down. Liner is not removable and no drain plug. The Coors Banquet brand logo is professionally screen printed on and is not a decal. Now back to the Coors Light slim cans and seeing how many you can fit in this 14-quart cooler capacity.
You don't want to do this.
Since the Coors Light cans are taller than the standard cans, stacking them all upright will not work. Here's a better and alternative way by stacking them sideways. By doing it this way, you can get about 14 cans in the cooler. Here I tried another alternative way by stacking them upright and sideways, and it gets the same results of 14 cans in the cooler. Technically I'm demonstrating with a 12-pack, but you can see I could add 2 more cans if I had the 2 more cans. Be sure to watch my favorite feature at the end of this video. Now here's another demonstration using the standard 16.9 ounce water bottle on seeing how many we can fit in this cooler. I was able to successfully fit 11 water bottles and put the lid back on.
Now let's look at my favorite feature.
You guessed right, it's the self-locking handle. Optionally, you can add a padlock to secure on your travels.
If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.